The story of the Chinese bamboo tree. There once was a man who felt discouraged. He took stock of the resolutions he had made last year. Nothing in his life had changed. He was the same person with the same problems. He began to lose hope, so he went to speak to his mentor. The mentor asked, "Do you know how long it takes for the giant bamboo tree to grow as tall as a building?" During the first year, a tiny seed is watered and fertilized, and nothing happens. It is watered and fertilized for another whole year, and another, and another, and still nothing happens. Then on the 5th year, it shoots up to the sky. In 6 weeks, the bamboo tree grows 90 feet. So how long does it take for it to grow so high? 6 weeks, the man replied. "That's your mistake," said the mentor. "It takes 5 years. If the farmer stopped watering the plant at any point during those 5 years, it would have died." During all those years, underneath the soil, an enormous network of roots was developing to support the bamboo's sudden growth. Growth takes patience and perseverance. Every drop of water makes a difference, and every step you take makes an impact. You may not see the change right away, but growth is happening. Now ask yourself, what are you willing to do to make your dreams come true? Are you willing to do whatever it takes? Are you willing to take action? Are you willing to push past your fears and doubts? How much faith and belief are you willing to have? Decide and act now.